Today's video I will show you how to remove third-party application on your Google account. In this way, very easy, so follow me step by step, don't skip video. Let's get started now. First, open it your Gmail app, then press on profile icon at the top right corner, then press on manage your Google account. Scroll, then press on data and privacy. Scroll, then press on third-party apps and service. Now you will see all the third-party application here. Then select the application you want to remove. I can select MLWBD. Scroll and select delete all and press confirm. That's it. In this way you can easily delete third-party application on your Google account.